Hi guys. Hey guys, we're at B&M today. We are going to be getting some mini brands. Now tell me guys which one you want. For me personally, they're all my favorites. So, Mom, can you please show the camera all the mini brands? So we've got the Lego mini brand, but I mostly want the doll ones. We have these sneaker ones. Look. It's really so guys, we'll actually go now to see if there's any more mini brands, so come on guys. Guys, if I miss a mini brand somewhere, please tell me.
I don't think there's any more mini brands there.
Hi guys, I just had a little thought. Instead of us just opening mini brands on that day, we can OMG guys, look what I just found. The mini brands fill your fridge. We're getting this, okay? We are getting this. Let's see what we can find with it. Come on guys. Like I was saying, we could do lots of other things in one video. You think guys, would that be fun? So we're actually going to go back to the mini brands we found and choose out of them which one we're going to unbox on Saturday or Friday. So I'll bring you guys along. And the fill the fridge minis fridge, and we're actually going to get it on the day we're going to unbox stuff, which is tomorrow or so yeah, we're going to get this. And the other stuff we're going to get, this is one of them. We're gonna get these 3 Hello Kitties. Isn't that cute? Hello Kitty kids. And then these 2. Oops. And then these. And then where did they go? And then these 2. These 2 mini brands create. So yeah, we're gonna get those 2. Hey guys, I have to go now, but I'll see you guys on Saturday or Friday when we unbox this mini fridge and these mini brands. See you guys on Saturday or Friday. Bye.